Want to know how to automate payments on PartnerStack quickly and easily? In this guide, I'll show you how to set up automated payment processes for your partner program so you can streamline your workflow and focus on growing your business. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to automate your payments, and I'll also share a valuable bonus, so stay tuned. If you're new to PartnerStack, it's an excellent platform for managing and scaling your partner programs, whether you're running an affiliate program, reseller program, or referral program. Automating payments is one of the most important features, and I'm going to take you through exactly how to do it step by step. First things first, let's talk about what you need to get started. You'll need to make sure that your PartnerStack account is set up and that you've added all your partners. Once you've done that, you can start automating your payments using PartnerStack's built-in payment system. To automate payments, head over to the Payouts section in the dashboard. This is where you can configure how and when your partners get paid. PartnerStack offers several different payout options, such as PayPal, ACH, or wire transfers, depending on the payment preferences of your partners. Now here's the key part. You'll need to set up your payment triggers. PartnerStack allows you to automate the payouts based on different conditions. For example, you can set up automatic payments once your partner reaches a certain revenue threshold or after a predefined period. This flexibility makes it easy to manage recurring payments or one-time payouts. When you set up your automated payments, you can also define the frequency. Whether you want your payments to be made monthly, quarterly, or even on a per-sale basis, PartnerStack gives you that control. Once you configure these settings, PartnerStack will take care of the rest, making sure your partners are paid on time and according to your terms. Another useful feature is the ability to set payment reminders for yourself. If you want to track when payments are due or when they have been processed, PartnerStack sends automated reminders so you never miss a beat. One of the best things about PartnerStack's automated payment system is its transparency. You can access detailed payment reports and view the status of your payments at any time. This makes it easy to track your expenses, monitor partner performance, and ensure that everything is running smoothly. But here's the thing, if you're running a larger program, you can customize your payment workflows even more with PartnerStack's API. With the API, you can integrate PartnerStack with your existing accounting or CRM systems to create even more automation and ensure that all your payments are synchronized across platforms. Now, if you're wondering how to get started without breaking the bank, don't worry. You can use PartnerStack completely for free through the link below, and with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get an extended trial to really explore all the features the platform has to offer. By the way, if you want to take your affiliate or partner program to the next level, automating payments is just the beginning. PartnerStack also gives you the tools to manage commissions, track partner performance, and optimize your entire partner ecosystem. And all of this can be automated to save you time and improve efficiency. Remember, the automation of payments on PartnerStack is an incredible way to reduce manual work and ensure your partners are always paid on time. If you want to get started today with a special free trial, click the first link in the description. You'll have access to PartnerStack's powerful automation features and more, so you can start scaling your program without worrying about payment headaches. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your extended free trial before it's gone.